So the outline of the talk is such. How do we determine what material properties to test for, and whether or not at what stage, what kind of properties will play in each CAE simulation stage? So that will be the first part of the talk, and then I will give you some general introduction to our material testing here at Modec 3D, and also the type of service that we offer, thermoplastic and also thermoset materials, and some of the fundamentals in material measurements. So I will give you some basic as to the methods and also the basic principles on how we do the material testings, and also some of the simple formulations. And lastly, I will go over material digital twin and also some of the advanced material testings that we have developed over the past few years.